So as many of you guys requested, we're going to talk about SOP in today's video. SOP stands for Statement of Purpose Letter. It is basically a letter about you convincing university or a specific program why they should select you.
Guys, first thing I want to make very clear is that SOP is different from letter of explanation and letter of recommendation. Those two are two different things and we are going to discuss them in our future videos. So let's concentrate on SOP. So guys, SOP can be of two types. The first SOP will be in which the university will ask you to write anything you want to about your achievements and about what you have done in the past or these types of things. And the second type of SOP can be in which they will give you a particular question which you will have to explain in your own words based on your previous experiences and future goals.
Okay, so now we're going to talk in detail what you included in SOP. At the end of the video, we're also going to talk about the general format for SOP, and we're also going to provide some useful links for you as well.
Let's discuss the first type of SOP in which the university specifically doesn't ask you any particular question. In these types of SOP, you have to make sure, guys, that you mention these several points which I'm going to discuss. So the first most important point which you have to mention is your extracurricular rewards, achievements, and what you have done related to your major in the past. Guys, if you will mention your awards and achievements related to your major which you have achieved in the past, it really enhances your SOP. Rather than writing generally about all your achievements. Let's assume, guys, you have got any medals or maybe you won any competition related to your major. Make sure to mention them. If you do not have any achievement related to your major, still you can mention other achievements as well. That's not a problem.
So as for second point, don't forget to mention any of your work experience or internships. I'm pretty sure all of you guys already know about it. I'm just here to remind you. Let's say if you are doing chemistry or physics, if you have worked in a labs or you've worked even in a hospital, it is definitely a bonus to put on your SOP letter.
Guys, the third point is common for everyone, and these are skills like leadership skill, communication skill, writing skill, and many different types of skills which you have to mention them in the SOP so that the university can get an overall idea about you and how versatile you are. Guys, another different type of question I get from many of you is that whether the university will ask any different type of proof or not to whatever you mention in the SOP. Guys, it totally depends on the university and it totally depends on whether they want to ask or not. Sometimes they ask for the proof, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they will ask for a proof from one student, but that will not ask from another student. It's totally on your luck or it's totally university's decision. There is no specific rule for any university in this case. So make sure whatever you put in the SOP is correct. Do not try to put any false information in the SOP.
So now let's talk about second type of SOP letters. Usually, university will give students a particular question. Let's say if you want to do computer science. A question could be something like, what role has computer science played in your life till today? How have your past experience in computer science influenced your future goals and plans? To answer these questions, here's the trick. Make sure you answer the question directly to the point. Also, provide a couple examples or some evidence of your past experience and success. Indicate your clear goals as well as your achievements.
Guys, here you don't need to basically add all the different types of skills and those things, but if you want to add, then basically you can somehow merge them together.
More focus.
Yeah, so your SOP will look better.
Now we finally get to talk about format. So the format of SOP is also similar to the format of one essay, but make sure you divide your long essay into different paragraphs. And the word counts usually range from 750 to 1500 words.
Another very major point about SOP is that it should be written with strong vocabulary and the writing should be very standard because many students will be submitting the SOP and your must be unique. Now we have provided link for your reference. You can use them to write your SOP or to get a general idea. So guys, hope this video gives you a good idea. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a great day.
Make sure to subscribe.
Yeah.